Do you want to earn about $500 to $600 within minutes in just 3 simple steps? Yes, that's right, there's a way to earn this much. And this is not earned through doing something shady or illegal. This is 100% legit and easy. In today's video, I'll be showing you a website or app that can potentially generate a lot of money for you just by selling photos. Now, let me just tell you right now, you won't need to be taking photos yourself for this. You won't need any graphic and technical skills as well. Plus, you can even just use your phones for this. If you're someone who wants a passive income option, this is just perfect for you. You won't have to break a sweat in this, just follow the 3 simple steps that I'm going to tell you. And you're already set to earning as much as $600. I teach you methods and how to make money online. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to smash the like button. Now let's get started. I won't be dragging this on for long now. So the very 3 steps only app I'm talking about is no other than foap. Hold it, this might be easy as you can imagine. But a lot of people committed beginner mistakes in this app and rather only getting nothing in return while other people fail to withdraw their earnings. So better take note of every step. Foap is a marketplace where you can actually sell or buy high-resolution photos to millions of people online. So there are 2 types of people and vote, people who are there to buy photos and people who sell photos. Right now, you'll be one of those who sell photos. But hold on, you don't need to worry because you won't need to take pictures. So you sell it. I'll be teaching you how to find exceptional photos online and sell them unfold. This is truly one of the best passive incomes options you can have. Because once you put up the photos info, it's going to stay there for as long as the website is there. And every day, 1,000s and 1,000s of people around the world are scrolling through photos, searching for photos they want to purchase. So the photos you post in photos are going to earn you some money once it's purchased by a buyer. And even if it takes weeks, months, or even years, as long as photo is still on the internet, you can earn commissions again and again from these photos. Here's the first thing you need to do. Go to Foap's website, sign up for membership and click for creators, then go into the Sell Your Content option. This then will lead you to a page where you can download the app. But there's also another option other than going to their website, which is going to Google Play if you have an Android phone or App Store for Apple users and just search for Foap. Make sure you get the camera logo so you know that it's the real Foap app. But if you want to be extra sure, then head over to their website and download from there. The next step would be the time for you to upload photographs. More photographs uploaded, the more commissions you can earn. For as long as Foap stays for a longer time, you get to make money by only waiting for a lot of people to purchase your photos. Usually the app charges an average fee of $10 to each photograph, pretty good price for a single high-resolution photograph, right? But just how much are you earning from each photo you upload in the app? Well, it's said that Foap splits a profit by 50%. This is because the company automatically sells the pictures for you without you having to worry about how to market your photos, which is already a pretty good deal, right? And don't worry. Foap is a real business app and has worked with very successful and well-established brands in the names of Volvo, Heineken, Nivea, and more that lets shoppers visit the app more often every day. Imagine selling about 10 to 20 photos a day. Then it would give you easily $100 extra income to pay for bills, groceries, or anything you can spend for yourself. Also, Foap offers missions for you to complete and get rewarded by up to $1,000. You only need to click on missions just along the top buttons of their website, and it'll automatically open up a page where you could choose mission you want to accomplish. All you have to do is select missions and upload all high-resolution, non-watermarked photos needed according to the theme required. These missions require a lot of pictures and days to complete. So if you want a grant to add to your average $1 or $2 per day, make sure to put some effort in looking and uploading photos for these missions since they offer a lot of money. After all these are done, do the final step of linking your online wallet like PayPal or any other ones and be happy to receive your passive cash. Shutterstock also has a lot of photos available for buying and allows you to share or contribute your own photos to earn as well. Like Foap. You also have to follow 3 steps, sign up or fill in necessary details, including your display name, upload photos, and get the reward cash pro tip. The more apps like these you join, the better as you can upload the same photos over and over again on these different apps and get more money. Remember, the goal here is to make more money and maximize your resources. Now I will finally tell you the websites where you can get high-resolution photos to upload to either foap or Shutterstock or both. Well, don't worry at all because there are websites that allows you to download these photographs for free and without ownership watermarks. The website that I'm talking about are Pexels and PicWizard. They offer you thousands of free high-quality stock images you can download online, and it's easy to look for your desired photos to upload to foap and Shutterstock because these websites have a default categorization or collection of themes that could help you navigate faster and look for the photos you're looking for. They're absolutely free and no investments needed. All they need to do is choose and download the photo in high resolution. After you're all done downloading stock images, copy and paste it to finish and Shutterstock. Wait for a couple of hours, days, or weeks, and 100% you're guaranteed the passive income you need. I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.